everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am hosting for the 4th year in a row. This is an annual collab that I put on, and that is the Show Some Love collaboration. This is an open invitation to anyone that wants to participate, and I just had a few simple details that I wanted those who are participating to do. Now first, I wanted you to share 3 things that you love. I also wanted you to just do a tablescape, be it on your dining room table, your kitchen island, your coffee table, wherever you wanted to do a scape. And thirdly, on this tablescape, you must display a heart of some kind. Very simple, very easy. I keep things simple with my collabs. Everything else is up to you. Now guys, I'm going to share with you the 3 things that I love, and of course a couple of them are, I say every year, because they won't change. First of all, I love God. Y'all know that's not going to change. I love Him. He always comes first in my life. Secondly, I love my hubby and I love my family. That won't change either. Those 2 are top priority to me. Third, I'm gonna have to think a little bit on. Third thing that I love, I love coming to you all with new ideas, things that I love, lifestyle. So I love coming to you. I love my YouTube family. And I'm just gonna throw a 4th one in there. I'm sneaking one in. I love everything about home, all right? Everything about home, everything about being a wife, a mom. I can throw in a YouTuber, just everything about my life. I love it. I enjoy every moment. I enjoy this journey. Well guys, now I'm going to show you my tablescape. I hope this inspires you to do a Valentine's Day tablescape for the one you love or the ones that you love. Maybe to inspire you to invite a couple of friends over or couples over to enjoy Valentine's Day or a weekend before Valentine's Day. I hope it inspires you. So let me show you what I have done on my table. Stay tuned. And guys, here is my tablescape for the Show Some Love collaboration for 2019. So right now, I will take you in for a closer look. First off, I'm going to start with the head of the table. This is my husband's seat. I will start with this beautiful pillow. I used a pillow cover from Hobby Lobby and blinged it out with Totally Dazzled bling wrap. Now the place settings. I use my red goblet here that I found a set of 7, by the way, thrifting for a couple of dollars. And I have a tea set here for coffee. I also have my chargers here from Efavormart, a simple plate and salad plate atop here, and this beautiful napkin folded in a shape of a heart using a totally dazzled brooch. Right now I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how I folded this napkin into a heart shape, and they do call it the heart shape fold. This napkin I already had folded in half, and you take the corners of the napkin and put them midways each, and once you do that you have the shape of the heart. I'm going to take my brooch. Right now I'm just going to lay it on top here. And then I decided if I wanted a different look, I can move that brooch to the corner. It looks beautiful in both places. So right now I'm going to show you around the table. The 4 settings in the simple, the only thing that I had changed was the plates. The dinner plate and the salad plate. I only have a set of 4 of these plates, and I wished I would have picked up more. But everything else is the same. By the way, I also use that Luvs sign that you're sitting at the top of each setting. Those came from Dollar Tree a couple of years ago. And I also use the mirrors from the Dollar Tree as coasters. This will protect your tablecloth or your table. Now this is where I sit on the other end of the table. So these are heads of the table. And this is the other side of the table. So I have my table set for 6. I also have this blinged dome where I will have bread for my guest, and this condiment server in bling. I'll have different types of condiments in it, or this also can be used for mints, peanuts, now for my centerpiece, I wanted that wow factor. And I've kind of done this before using different items, but I'll talk you through this. There's my heart that I placed there, but I'm going to start at the top. I used 2 candle holders that I picked up from at home. I placed a piece of glass atop it, and I've placed different floral picks. I didn't overdo it. I could have, but I didn't. But I placed roses, different types of florals on top of that, and also those beautiful glitter branches that I picked up from Hobby Lobby, and then my lighted love sign that I've had for many, many years. Lots of the items that I used on this tablescape I already had. love to shop my home. The heart that I picked up, that did come from Ross this year. And the candle holder with all the little tea lights, I picked up thrifting. I almost got rid of that and something told me to keep it, and I'm glad I did. And then all of this is sitting on top of a cake plate that I used for my anniversary, my 25th wedding anniversary. And I just placed different types of roses and different kind of florals going around this candle holder. And then again, my heart is sitting in the middle of it all. Now these beautiful candle holders, which is a set of 2, my beautiful sister, Easy Living with Elle, sent these to me, and I love them. She's back. My angel tree is back in the corner of my dining room. My granddaughter helped me put the hearts on the tree. She helped me decorate the tree. And if you look a little closer, you'll see more small angels that my mom gave me, and those Dollar Tree angel wings. Also, another change that I've done in my dining room, I placed this rug here, and I'm loving this rug. I don't know what I was thinking, not to have a rug up under my dining room table, but this rug was actually out of my office. And then my hubby and I and my son, we decided to move the china cabinet, and I love it right here. So those are the few changes that I've done in my dining space. And I cannot forget this beautiful tablecloth from Efavormart. You will be seeing more things from Efavormart as well as Totally Dazzled. Information about these companies will be listed in my description box below. But guys, this is my tablescape, my Show Some Love tablescape for 2019. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I will have a playlist link in my description box for you to enjoy. I hope you go and take a look at all of the participants who are participating in this challenge or this collab. I cannot wait to see what they have come up with. For those that are participating, I will also have a link for you to add your own videos. And I must add now, I know in the past that there has been problems adding your link, and I have participated in collaborations also. Same thing have occurred. Guys, when you go in to add your videos, you will see that the playlist. You may not see an add button at this time. Go out of that setting and then come back in, okay? And you will most likely be able to add your video. If not, please email me. My email will be listed in the description box down below. But when you do email me, also email me your channel name and copy your link. And that will be very helpful if you should have any issues. But thanks again for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click that notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.